Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here at the Church of Students, or it's really the Church of St. Nicholas, and the lady let me in last minute. She was trying to close. It's already 5:17, but she gave me a couple minutes to film inside. Anyway, I'll show you inside. Bye everybody. It's
the Church of Students.
Church of Students.
Because nearby is the university.
Oh, okay. Thank you for letting me come in. Church of Students. Wow. Is it old?
Around 100 years.
100 years. Wow. And it too is covered with writings on the walls. They're very dark. She's trying to close and she let me in, so she's giving me 2 minutes. Okay, beautiful. Okay. Church of Students. Thank you so much.